Good morning. It is a beautiful day in North Carolina, and today I'm going to talk about photographing swallows. Now, if you've watched my show before, you know I've complained about photographing animals on telephone wires, on fences, and other things. I'm going to leave a link to that above here. And today I'm going to photograph birds on wires. So come along and enjoy this event. Well, it's not a swallow, but bird number one is a bobolink. This bird is incredible. They breed around the Great Lakes of the United States and Canada, and they fly from there all the way down to Central South America, a trip that's 12,500 miles round trip. And these birds literally just migrate through the state. It's just incredible to be able to photograph them. And here in the Piedmont, you literally have a few weeks in the fall, a few weeks in the spring, and that's it. They're not here to breed, they're not here to nest, they're not here to winter. They're just flying through, and I just am excited to get a photograph of these birds. Well, I just photographed the tree swallow and the barn swallow, two extremely common birds here in North Carolina. These birds both will breed in agricultural buildings. They collectively nest. Tree swallows will breed in bird boxes, but the barn swallows do breed. You commonly see them flying out of agricultural buildings, and you'll see hundreds of them flying out of there. They are collective nesters. They are extremely common here in North Carolina. The tree swallow has this iridescent green back with a white breast. The barn swallow is much more colorful. It has a red face and red neck, dark back. Like I said, both of them are very common birds here. But I am feeling a little frustrated trying to photograph them on the wires. I'm trying to figure out if I can get those classic pictures on wires and still get some good pictures. But here are the pictures I've taken. Tell me what you think below. Tell me what you think I'm doing wrong. Tell me how I can do a better picture of these, because I'm very, very frustrated right now. This is a fairy circle. They're made by common mushrooms. Common mushrooms are extremely toxic to human beings, but deer and other mammals do eat these. But the Europeans named this a fairy circle because they thought that the fairies created these circles, and then they would dance on top of the mushrooms, and the marks on top of the mushrooms are the footprints of the fairies. I just find that story incredibly fascinating. Obviously fairies didn't make this. Fairies don't dance on top of these, but I just think to myself, you know, you're somebody walking through the forest 400 years ago. You're afraid of whatever's out here in the forest. You don't know what's there, and you come across this and you just make this fanciful story. Literally, I just photographed a swallowtail kite. These are extremely uncommon here in North Carolina. These are vagrant birds. This bird's population is normally found in the southern end of Florida. In the summertime, they will go as far north as the Gulf of Mexico and Louisiana and Mississippi. We are literally hundreds, if not thousands of miles away from their normal breeding areas and the normal habitat. So seeing one here in North Carolina is very, very exciting. Photographing one here in North Carolina is very exciting. Did I tell you I'm excited? It is incredible here. I'm just, anyways, here are the photographs. seeing that swallowtail kite has really made it a great day out here today. I was kind of hoping it would come back again. I really have stuck it out here to see if it would come back, but it just doesn't seem to be coming back. So I'm going to end the video here. I mean, it's been an incredible day, and I can't imagine it's just been one of those days. It's going to go in the record book. So if you got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Sean Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.